Hi guys, so today's question is maximize the happiness of the children, and this is the medium complexity question, and this has been solved. So let me take you description of the problem. So the description says you are given an array of happiness of length n and a positive integer k. There are n children standing in the queue. So these are the children which are standing in the queue, and the zeroth child has the happiness one, and the first child has happiness two, and the so on. So you need to select child standing in the queue where the I children has the happiness I. You want to select the k children from this queue such that in each turn when you select the child, the happiness value of all the other child not selected till now decreases by one, and you have to select the child to increase the happiness. So you have to apply the greedy approach. So you have to pick up the child which have the means maximum happiness. So if you want to increase the happiness, so you want to take 3 and 2, but every time you pick up a one, you have to decrease the others one. So this is the trick here. So what you have to do first, you have to sort the array in order to pick the last element which is the happy one. So initially I equal to 1, so I will iterate two times because we have to pick up the two children. So first you will pick up the last child. Minus k1 means you have to reduce the other one also. Okay, so first when you take 3, you need not to decrease anything. Okay, so k2 is initially 0, so I have taken the last element. If and you have to keep in condition in mind, if happiness, if you are reducing the other elements of the happiness, consider in sometimes it will be can get less than 0, so you have to keep it 0. So I have stored the happiness for first like 3, and if yes 3 is greater than 0, I have increased the happiness. Now this value I have to pick up because this is the largest happiness value, and but this value should be now 1. So instead of creating another loop, what I have done, I have taken the last element, I have reduced the k2 and increased the k2, because every time whenever I get to a certain element, that element must be reduced by this value. Okay, so this is the to reduce the complexity of this question. And if a is greater than 0, I will happy to add it and to increase the happiness. Else, as soon as it becomes 0, so I need not to iterate the other elements, because I know the array is sorted and all the elements besides the point where happiness becomes less than 0 is must be negative, and or 0, or I need not to add. So we have to save that time here also. So this is the easy is means medium complexity question, but easy to solve with some trick.